You ever get tired of eating the same old boring store-bought instant oatmeal and wish you could do something that tastes a little better and make your oatmeal healthier and a little more exciting? Well, you're in luck. This morning I'm going to show you how to make delicious apple, cinnamon, and date oatmeal, and it'll only take a few minutes and it'll taste so much better than the stuff that comes in a box. Let's get started. You might hear chainsaws a little in my video this morning because my neighbor is getting her tree trimmed, and the tree trimmer she hired, they're not doing a very good job, and they dropped one of the limbs on her garage and destroyed the roof that she just had put on it. I'm going to show you an extremely easy way to dice apples. First thing you're going to do is core the apple and then cut it in half, or if you don't have an apple core, you can cut it in half and then core it.
The first thing you're going to do is you're going to make a few slices into the apple horizontally, or somewhat close to horizontally. And then, after you make the horizontal cuts in the apple, then you go ahead and make some vertical cuts in the apple. And then once you've made both the horizontal and vertical cuts in the apple, then you are going to just use your fingers as a guide for the knife, and you're going to push the apple forward using your thumb, and you're just going to slice through the apple, and then you're going to have a bunch of nice chopped apple, and it'll be relatively simple and easy.
For some of you, it may be sweet enough already, but for people like me, you might want it a little bit sweeter, and at that point, add a little brown sugar. After it's cooked, put a few of the remaining apple chunks on top of it, pour yourself a nice glass of milk, and enjoy it. It almost tastes like dessert, but it's healthy for you.